Big shout out to Gabe at the Deal Team 6 Facebook group. This is just a killer deal. I don't have any words for it. Uh, this is the ridgid, let's see here, 18 volt brushless subcompact cordless half-inch drill driver kit with two 2 amp-hour batteries, charger, and a bag. It's just unbelievable how cheap you can get these with the hacks, with the deals. Even if you want to keep it with the tool, it's just a crazy deal. I mean, you don't even need to hack this. This is just crazy. If you're not even on the line, you need a spare tool, for the work, for the house, or for the work truck or whatever. All right, so this is a drill with 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag for $99. It's down from $149, 34% off, limit 3 per order. Guys, you can select a free tool with that $99 price. Isn't that crazy? You can choose, this one's even valued more than $99. You can choose the subcompact brushless cordless 3-inch multi-material saw with 3-inch cutting blades, I guess, or replacement blades, valued at $129. You can choose the right angle subcompact, the subcompact brushless cordless 3/8 right angle drill, and valued at $139. You can choose the subcompact brushless 6.5 circular saw, valued at $149, which is the most expensive at here. You can choose the ridgid 18 volt subcompact brushless cordless one-handed reciprocating saw, valued at $139. I'm gonna go ahead and choose the multi-material saw. This is the one that I want, 3-inch. I mean, I'm not gonna get the best deal out of it, but that will be the best. Add both to the cart. If you add both to the cart, you're gonna get, let's see, $1,500. Well, that's a lot of money. No, just kidding. All right, so this one, it's gonna come down to $56.01. Isn't this? That's just crazy. $42.99, guys. Go get them. I'll leave the link down below in the description section. Big shout out to Gabe at the Deal Team 6 Facebook group for posting this. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.